So we put on top these anchors. So these are anchors that are on the roof. Please, please, please don't forget to clean your roof here where the anchors go, and also the bottom of the anchor. So make them a little moisty. So that means if you do, like, this is already quite sturdy, and then if you push this lever down, it's really sturdy. So what you start to do then is attach the shade, and these clips are pretty sturdy. So okay, hold on with me, and next, can you come to this side? So this is how you hook it up, like that, and then you go to the other side. Oops. So it doesn't fly, and then you kind of just let it go, let it go, let it go, and you attach the other side here. And some adjustment may be needed, but this is basically the basic setup. We may, and we probably will have to move this anchor down to make this look tight, but we did this before and we put like the tension poles in, and it ended up being okay. So that's for the next part.